Hey video creator, if you're an Adobe user, you may get this annoying notification. And if you do nothing about it, in 5 days, you will get another. This. Sad? Let me show you some simple steps you can take to resolve this and get your app up and running again. Obi Studio right here, and you're welcome to my channel. Let's dive right in. For Mac users, from the desktop area, open the internal storage device, HDD, or in this case, SSD. And if your internal storage is not displayed on the desktop, not to worry, go to Finder, Settings, General tab. Under Show these items on the desktop, check the box for hard disk. So once the internal storage is open, select Library. Next, select Application Support, then Adobe, and Adobe GC Client. This is your final stop, and of course the root of the problem. It is the Adobe Genuine Software Service. It connects with the Adobe server once your PC is online. And if you do not have the required Adobe subscription, your Adobe app is flagged and subsequently disabled. What do we do next, you may ask? We trash the entire folder and its content. Yes, you heard right. Trash it. Go to the recycle bin and empty it too. Voila! There you have it. Free from this annoying, disruptive notification, and your Adobe app's working again. If this video has been helpful, do let us know in the comment section. Give us a thumbs up to help with the algorithm and subscribe to get our future post notification. Bye for now.